Hi, this is Anita from R&D Engineering College. I am going to discuss a topic and principles of management. The topic is job enrichment benefits. What does this job enrichment benefits mean? What is this job? Job is work done by an individual in a company or a firm or inside the business. So, what is this? What does this enrichment mean? That is, a person is not only given a particular job again and again, but he switched over to different jobs to get the different knowledges. That is called as the enrichment, because of which he can gain many benefits. So we can see with that. So what is the benefits with respect to individual means? He has a good growth. So self actualizations, he grows in the self confidence of doing the works. He has the job satisfaction, the repeated work again and again. If it is given, then it is a monotony. It will create some boredom to the employees. So these are the benefits with respect to the job enrichment. So then comes the organizational benefits with respect to the job enrichment. That is, better employee performance will be there because of the job satisfactions, self actualization, growth, and motivated employees. He doesn't get boredom, less absenteeisms, because he's very interested in the new job over and over again. So this is the benefits with respect to the organization. And with respect to the society, so the human resource is fully utilized with the various different aspects of the business. So then the organization becomes very effective. That is, if an employee is absent, the other employee can do his work. Thus it benefits the society also.